Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0236 Turbocharger, Supercharger, boost sensor, A circuit. What I have here is a turbocharger boost sensor, and it can be found directly somewhere around the intercooler, somewhere on the charge pipe, somewhere on the intake manifold, and so on. When you're getting P0236 code, it's because the boost pressure sensor is sending a signal to the computer, and the computer recognizes that it is not receiving the correct signal or data. When the data or signal is out of range, it will trigger P0236 code. What causes the boost pressure sensor to fail? And there are going to be a lot of different reasons. The first and most common reason is it is going to fail due to normal wear and tear. The second and most common reason is you're going to have some sort of connector or wire issue. So make sure the connector is not loose or broken, and also make sure the wire is not broken as well. Also, you want to inspect the terminal and you want to make sure it is not corroded. And next, you want to check the O-ring. You want to make sure that the O-ring, make sure it is not cracked or split. Next, you want to inspect the turbocharger system. You want to make sure that the charge pipe is not loose or cracked. You want to make sure that there's nothing wrong with the intercooler. And you want to make sure that your turbocharger is functioning as well. If you have any issue of those parts, it can definitely throw the boost pressure sensor reading off. When you're getting P0236 code, you're going to notice the following symptom. You're going to notice sluggish acceleration, especially when you step on the gas pedal. You're going to notice that it's going to feel like your vehicle won't take off at all. And next, you're going to notice reduced boost pressure. When you look at the boost gauge, you're going to notice the needle will be reading at low to 0. Next, you're going to notice overall decreased engine performance. You're going to notice poor gas mileage. And of course, you're going to notice lack of boost as well. And sometimes you might notice noise coming from the turbocharger area. You might notice whistling noise or whining noise. When buying a boost pressure sensor, I recommend buying OEM. What I have here is an aftermarket part, and this aftermarket part, most likely it will not last long. Sometimes it can fail as early as a few thousand miles. So again, I recommend buying OEM parts. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.